Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Roy Lichtenstein built an empire painting dots. The Ben-Day dot pattern, borrowed from commercial printing, elevated to fine art. Photoshop's color halftone filter recreates that exact aesthetic digitally. Convert your layer to a smart object, always. Go to Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. Set maximum radius to 12 pixels. Large dots for a bold, graphic look. Small values for fine texture. The 4 angle sliders control each CMYK channel's dot direction, creating color moire shifts. Set your layer's blend mode to multiply over a colored background. The result is an authentic retro print aesthetic, silkscreen energy without the ink. Smart Filter means it remains editable forever.